Hi guys, welcome back BUS225 Business Communications. I'm sorry this video is a little bit late on today. I wound up being tied up most of the day. But this week, week 3, we have reading assignment. I want you to make sure you jump in and tackle chapter 3, planning business messaging messages, and chapter 4, writing business messages. In this chapter, we're going to have some quick discussions as well in those chapters about writing, what good techniques are, what they are for writing and composing business messages, knowing your target audience, who your audience is going to be, and so forth. But watch the video that I placed in the discussion. Good video in there. Helps you out with some of the processes. In the discussion, there's a couple of questions that I would like for you to I'd like for you to tackle. Make sure you jump in there early and jump in there often for the discussions for the week, for the discussion for week 3. The questions were simply explain the 3-step writing process in messaging and give one example each of a positive, a negative, and a persuasive message. That's what I would like for you to hit on in the discussions. Along with the discussion for this week, you also have your resume project. I want you to make your corrections that if you did send your resume in, they should have sent you back by now some suggestions on what you can change. Please post that in the resume project part 2 Dropbox, and then you will get your points for that. You have a week 3 assignment, and for the assignment I would like for you to do questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 under test your knowledge on chapter 3, and then apply your knowledge to, let's see, I would like for you to do 7, 8, 9, and go from there. Actually, you know what? I would just like for you to do test your knowledge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I would just like for you to do the test your knowledge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of chapter 4. So let's get on that as soon as possible. I'm going to make a quick change to that assignment. No sense in waiting when I can do it real quick while I'm here. So bear with me as I make this quick change. Unless you got objections and you don't want me to make the change, and you can do a whole lot more than what you need to. Anyway, that change is done. You will see that now the way that I actually wanted it to be on there in the first place. Now, let's see. You also have, not only do you have your assignment, your discussion, your resume you need to submit, but there's also a quiz on chapters 1 and 2. It's a total of 50 points. It's not a tough quiz, guys, but you do need to jump in there, get it done as soon as possible. There are 10 questions. You'll do just fine. Take your time. I think you'll find out that you'll be just fine in that. Okay. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Happy to help you out in any way. Other than that, texting me is going to be your quickest way to get a hold of me, and we'll go from there. So, all right, guys, that's it for the week. We got a lot to do, so let's get started. Jump in the discussions early, jump in there often, and let's get going. All right, guys, have a good week. Bye-bye.